All right. Hello. I am blessed to be joined with my friend Ryan for today's Yogi Smoke Break at a coffee shop. And oh my gosh, today the affirmation that we chose resonates greatly with both of us. Yes. It is clarity comes in unexpected ways. And both of us are at points in our lives where we've been wanting clarity. And some of it has been coming, but
slowly.
And in those unexpected ways where we're like, we get to make more changes than we thought. But
It's happening.
realizing even though it's sometimes like the road is kind of rocky and tumultuous, we get to realize that our paths are being cleared for what we're meant to do next in life. So how perfect for the end of the year and beginnings for 2019. So
New year, new me.
yes.
New year, new us.
So we are going to start with a couple of cleansing breaths. I'm just putting my hands on my knees, and I am inhaling what I wish to encompass and exhaling whatever I want to get rid of that does not serve me. So inhaling. And the powerful exhale to get rid of anything that is grossing you out. All right, we're going to start today with a seated crescent moon pose, in which we are putting the index fingers together, buckling the rest of the fingers, putting our arms up, and we're going to get a bit of a side stretch here. And like a lot of times in yoga, we inhale as the body goes up, exhale as it goes down. So we are going to inhale here and exhale to the right. Inhale up, exhale to the left. Inhale up, exhale right. Inhale up, exhale right. Excuse me, left. And next, to get a nice side stretch, we are going to do the seated pigeon pose, in which we are going to cross our legs. I'm going to put my right leg up and put the foot over the knee. And I'm putting my hands on my right knee. And this means I'm going to turn my body to the right, turn around like I'm looking over my shoulder to get a good stretch there. So inhale to lengthen the spine, and exhale, twist, looking deep in the shoulder. Bring it back to center, and switch. Left leg up. Hands on the left knee. Inhaling to lengthen the spine. Exhaling to twist. Back to center. One more on each side. So right leg up. Hands on the knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. And back to center. And one more with the left leg. Hands on the left knee. Inhaling to lengthen. Exhaling to twist. All right. So next we are just going to do some gentle neck rolls to relieve tension. Things we've done already, like with the pigeon pose and before that with the seated crescent moon. Those are things for helping with clarity and overall blood flow. But this is good for releasing tension. So we are just going to gently move the hip to one side, and we'll switch halfway through, but I'm going to start by moving back, and as I move back, I'm going to exhale, and as I move forward, so Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. And now we're about halfway through. So we are going to pause and we're going to switch directions. We are still going to inhale as we go forward and exhale as we go back. This time I'm going to start with inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Forward. Exhaling back. And you can do this one for however long serves you, being just very gentle. And to support us in this time of clarity, we are going to do the Kundalini meditation for prosperity, which I love this one. It was actually recommended for me to do this one every day. But in order to do this, we want to, I'm going to have to move the screen a little bit down because we want the hands kind of down closer to the navel. And so for this one, we are going to alternate the hands with the palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up, repeatedly with the sides of the fingers touching. And as we do this, we do it with our eyes closed and we're focusing on the third eye point. And typically it's suggested to do this for like 3 minutes a day, but because this is a yoga smoke break and everything is adapted and condensed, we're gonna do it for a little bit shorter, but you can do this for however long it serves you. And as each time we move, we say the word hud, 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 which is actually spelled H-A-R, which sounds like hud. And it is for creation and allowing new things in. And so this applies to us, especially with the clarity we are seeking. So we're starting with the hands down by the navel, eyes closed, and hud, 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 Sorry. I had to feel my throat, but that's probably good for yoga folks, right? Yes, do that one for 3 minutes if it so serves you. But that's just an example of one thing you can do to let creation into our lives. We have a really excellent Kundalini yoga instructor, Abby, and she says do this for 3 minutes a day, and the money will flow. And she says that she like tells stories about like how this has helped her personally. But also, if you do it for more than 3 minutes, then you're just getting greedy.
Yeah. 3 minutes.
So thank you for taking the time to be calm and present, because as you take that time to be calm and present, you can spread that to others in your life. So, wishing you lots of clarity, especially during this end of the year time frame, and we'll see you for another Yogi Smoke Break next week.